Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nina's Hidden Apron. Let's make some crackers. Some cheddar crackers. Come on. Just cheese. That's all we need. Just cheese. I have our oven preheating to 400 degrees. And I have a baking sheet over here with parchment paper on it. But what we're going to do, we're just going to slice these. We're going to quarter these slices of cheese. They'll be kind of big. Does anybody else's pizza cutter, does your wheel go crooked? Or is it just me? I have the worst time with this to get it to cut semi-straight. Now, you can make these smaller if you want to. But we're gonna, yeah, and I know I did that one. I did not go in the center. But we're going to quarter these. And then, what's a cheddar cheese cracker without the hole in it, right? So let's poke a hole in it. Make it look like the real deal. See? And then I'm going to lay them over here on my prepared pan. Now after I get these all done, I'll get back with you all and show you what it looks like before I put it in the oven, and then the magic of what happens while it's in the oven. There's what it looks like before. I did 4-4 so that, you know, they don't melt in together. Again, our oven is preheated to 400 degrees. I am going to set a timer for 7 minutes. And let's get these in the oven. After they come out, I've not made these before. I think I've said that already. So if they look right, then I'll probably go ahead and use up the rest of that cheese and make some more. So in the oven they go. Timer set for 7 minutes. There we go. See you in 7. Our first batch only has a few seconds left on it. This is going to be our second batch, and what I've done is I sprinkled a little bit of chili powder on there. You can put whatever you want to. You can put you some garlic on there, some garlic powder, onion powder, just whatever you want to make them taste the way you want them to taste. Now, again, this is fixing to start beeping on us, so let me go ahead and grab Alright, I'm going to sit you guys right here. You got to make sure and spread them out far enough. I didn't spread them out quite far enough on some of them, I think, but you guys see that? They smell really good. I mean, you know, it's just melted cheese, but I'm going to set that over there on my cooling rack. And then here's the second batch that I'm going to stick in here, and I'm going to 7 minutes on it as well. We're going to let those cool down completely. This one looks like it's going to have a really good crisp to it. I don't know why I poked the holes in that. It made no difference at all. But I'm going to let these cool down. And then I'm going to get back with you all and we'll have a little taste. See you soon. The oven just finished its 7 minutes baking time for these. Let me get you guys sit right there. Let me go ahead and show you my next ones right quick. I went ahead and sprinkled some of my home dehydrated chives on here. And I also went ahead and pulled out some Swiss cheese that I've got that's been in there for a few days. And we're going to go ahead and see if we can't make some crackers with those too. But here, that is the second batch. And I'm going to take these over here, if you'll excuse me, and we're going to put these in for our next batch. Go ahead and reset the timer. We're gonna do 7 minutes on this also. Let me go ahead and grab one of these up, give it a taste. Let's see what all the hype is. Can you hear that? So good. I think these will be a very good low carb snack. That's so good. I'm such a cheese lover. If you're a lover of cheese, fix those. Takes no time at all. You don't have to have a pizza wheel. You can fold them. You don't have to poke the holes in it. I don't know what all the hype was about saying it was better to have the holes in it. I guess if you were to shred it and do it that way, then you would. Yeah, I've got a cantaloupe sitting over here I need to get washed up and sliced up. Looking forward to that too. I'm gonna show you what the Swiss cheese one looks like, the first little bit that comes out, and then I'll stop boring you all with this talk of cheese. But since we're over here, let me get one of these off that's got that I put the chili powder on. Gluten free too, by the way. I can't taste it. But now I am using sharp cheddar. You use whatever cheese you like. But this is good anyway. I love the crunch. Okay, be back in a few. Okay. And there is one of the cans of the Swiss cheese. And I actually put some onion powder on those. This is one of the ones that I baked a while ago with the chives on it. And let's go ahead and give it a try. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna get off here, finish eating this, and let me show you real quick. I'm letting them drain on a paper towel just to get the added oil off of them. And then I'm going to store them. I put a paper towel down in the bottom of my jar. I'm going to store them in this airtight, it's not a mason jar, but y'all know what I'm talking about. It's similar to it. But that's how I'm going to store these. You can store them in a Ziploc bag. Just let them cool completely before you seal them. That way they don't get moist and muckety. But I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Click the bell. That way you know each time I put new content on. It does not cost you anything at all. You're not going to receive a bill from me. You're not going to receive one from YouTube. It just lets them know that you enjoy my content. But thank you all so much for joining me. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please share with your family and friends. Let them know I'm trying. Y'all take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.